Welcome to our second video in Thailand, Phuket. In the previous video, we explored the east of the island where you will find Old Town and Talang Street. Come along as we show you some of the best places to explore on the west side of the island and the digital nomad situation in Thailand. We work remotely in the week and on weekends explore epic places around the world. It's a great situation. I dressed appropriately today. My covered shoulders, my covered knees, my dress. First up, the famous and majestic Big Buddha. You can order a Grab, Asia's Uber, for 4 hours or more and it works out much cheaper than short rides. Also, numbers are below in the description of the drivers we used.
I didn't know you could meditate in Big Buddha. It was cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Meditating inside Big Buddha. We just finished meditating inside the Big Buddha. And then I looked behind me and South African flag.
Oh, really?
It's looking over us. We found a golden Buddha as well. We found Big Buddha, small Buddha, golden Buddha, graffiti Buddha. It's funny, inside they show all the people that follow Buddhism. They have like these old philosophers and old Buddhas and then like Jennifer Lopez, David Beckham.
Scientists as well.
Yeah. Hey, you see you enjoyed it more than you thought you would.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be like packed and not that cool, but it ended up being very
Not
cool.
a lot of people at all.
I think the coolest part was being able to like meditate inside the Buddha.
Next, you should visit Karon Viewpoint to see the 3 must-visit beaches from the top and get your bearings of the area. So this one is Kata Noi Beach we're going to. That's Kata Beach and that's Karon Beach. The first beach to visit for the day should be Kata Noi Beach. It's a bit more hidden than the other ones because I think it's not like you have to walk a little, not a lot, but like 5 stairs. And there's bathrooms here, which is nice. This is a tsunami evacuation site. Not scary at all. When I read online, they say Kata Beach, like all the restaurants and stuff, is the road up because the whole front is owned by Med Resort Club. So you can go to the beach, but like you can't go to the restaurants because it's part of the hotel or something. It is very peaceful and chilled with barely any restaurants or shops. So when you get here, there's like, you can rent like an umbrella and a turf or
And a towel.
and a towel.
I don't know what you're going
For
to change.
300 baht, kind of trend. Next beach, Karon Beach. It is a lot more vibey with restaurants and shops. Karon Beach, it's really nice. The beach is nice, there's jet skis, there's street food, there's clothing stores, there's just like everything there. And I think it's like very touristy in usual times, but I don't know what's going on, but there's like nobody anywhere. The restaurant is empty, the beaches are empty, the restaurants are empty. They gave us this, it's like a ice towel. It's like, it's so overwhelming when you get here with all the people calling you and then you realize everyone has different food. But it looks really good. I ordered a chicken in curry sauce and Jara got crispy fried pork. Every time I eat, I have to go to the bathroom. I hope we get used to that food soon. Jara is upset because I didn't order the shark.
Elko was like, can't eat shark, it's poisonous.
We are on the way to the immigration office trying to extend our visas. I have no idea if this is... It seems like it's been easy for people so far, but I have no idea.
Did you like YouTube videos too?
No, I just saw some Instagram stories of people and like when I read where the immigration office is and stuff. So there's 4 things you need for extending your Thai visa. 2 copies of your passport, 2 copies of the white paper you get when you go through immigration at the airport. It looks like this. I don't want to show my information, but it looks like that. 2 passport photos and proof of accommodation, not for the period that you're staying, basically just for today and maybe the next day or something like that. All of that you need to get printed, but at the immigration office there's printers behind the immigration building, so you can just go get it printed there. They also take passport photos there. We applied for a 30-day extension. They gave us 60 days extension, so basically we can stay here for 90 days. We've been here I think for 2 days, so you can stay a whole another 3 months. I don't know if we will. It's amazing. We'd love to, but you know, we also want to see other countries. You pay 1,900 baht, which is about 950 rand per person. My first Thailand kitty cat. Hey Papa. Come here. For every new subscriber to this channel, we feed or donate a meal for a stray animal. There are so many in Thailand. You can also visit the link on the screen or in the description to donate more meals. Thank you so much. Okay, weekend done. Time to show you the digital nomad situation and our apartment for the next 2 weeks. Washing machine, the living area, and then you can close the store, so then we have 2 separate areas for working. Small, but it's got everything you need. And it's got a small little balcony that is too hot to go into, and a jungle view. This place was amazing. It had 7 pools, nice areas to walk, amazing internet, a washing machine. It's safe, quiet, has gyms, libraries to work in, and restaurants, and it was only 540 rand per night. The link is in the description below. So Thailand has just been ridiculously amazingly great so far, like as an awesome destination and as remote working. The internet has been great, like our SIM cards look amazing. The 2 places we've been staying at, internet, great. The electricity went off like twice, but like for like a minute. I think it's just something with the building. I think it's a bit new. I'm so impressed how organized they are. Like with the visa stuff, super organized, with all the tech stuff, with the COVID stuff, ordering stuff on an app. Everything is just so well organized and easy to use. The food, I mean, who doesn't like Thai food? I've heard or read somewhere that Big Boy is like really nice. It's like the KFC or the McDonald's of Thailand. Korean chicken wings, chicken nuggets, which is literally a piece of chicken in a nugget. It's interesting. No sauce though. And I ordered a cheeseburger, and Jared has a chicken burger. It's nice. It tastes like a normal chicken wing. The portions in Thailand is much smaller. Okay, but it is super tasty. I feel all the buns and breads in here is very sweet, or sweeter than usual, very soft and sweet. Sauce is delicious. Everything's delicious. The food is really well priced. You have to look though, like some places, like hotels, obviously charge more and stuff, and then also on Grab some of the things are a bit more expensive, but I would say South African prices, just because we were like, you know, expecting a lot cheaper, so the prices are mostly quite good. But yeah, I mean, you can get a really stunning meal for 50 rand, and I mean like a really good meal. So there's so many different noodle options here and brands. I have this one. It's like a shrimp tomato one. Very spicy. It's actually really good. The 7-Eleven is great. It has everything. It is super fun. I just want to go spend a day in 7-Eleven. Like, it's so much fun. They have the coolest stuff. In the next video, we go and take baths with elephants. It is such a wholesome and fun video. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.